Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your Forza Horizon issues. So make sure your Windows is updated. That's the first thing. Actually, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your task manager. And if the game's there, you're just going to right click and select end task, like here. If that still doesn't work, you're going to update your Windows. So go to settings. You're also going to update your drive, your graphics, Windows Update, and you're going to update it to the latest version. Then you're just going to right click on the game. I'll just do a random game because I don't really have it, but you're going to go to properties, go to the I think advanced one. Well, you're supposed to like find out if that game is compatible with your PC. So you're just gonna do that. Oh, you're going to go to compatibility here, and then run this program in compatibility mode 4. Press OK and apply. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.